Next problem. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is 2x minus x square in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. We have f of x in 0 comma 2 means 0 comma 2l. In 2l, that is, we want l is there in formula. 2l is equal to 2, 2l is equal to 2, l is equal to 1. Now check f of x is even or odd. You recall the condition for checking the given function f of x is even if 0 comma 2l, because here 2 is there, that is f of 2l minus x. Here 2l is 2, f of 2 minus x, that means we replace x by 2 minus x. Therefore f of here 2 into x is 2 minus x minus 2 minus x, that is 2 minus x into 2 minus x is equal to 2 minus x into x. So we get f of x. Therefore f of 2 minus x is equal to f of x. We confirm f of x is even. Obviously bn equal to 0. Now we find a naught. Formula is 2 by l. L is 1. Integral 0 to l. L is 1. 2x minus x square into dx. That is 2 x square by 2 x cube by 3, 0 to 1. A naught is, you apply 1 minus 0 minus 0 1 1 by 3 2 by 3 4 by 3. So a naught by 2 is 2 by 3. Next an 2 by 1 integral 0 to 1 2x minus x square x cube x square or x cube x square x square x square into cos n pi x by l is 1 into dx. 2 common, you apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. Sin n pi x by 1 by n pi minus derivative of 2x minus x square is 2 minus 2x into minus integral of sin minus cos n pi x by n square pi square plus derivative of 2 minus 2x is minus 2. Integral of cos is sin n pi x by n cube pi cube 0 to 1. An, apply 1 or 0 for sin term 0, 2 common, minus 2 minus 2x minus into minus plus cos n pi x by n square pi square. An equal to 2 by n square pi square outside 0 to 1. You apply 1 0, apply 0 to cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, that is minus 4 by n square pi square is required An. Therefore, f of x 2x minus x square 2 by 3 1 to infinity minus 4 by n square pi square into cos n pi x is the required Fourier series. Next problem, important. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is x square in 0 comma 1 minus 2 minus x whole square in 1 comma 2. Solution. First we check f of x is even or odd, that is f of 2l minus x, here is the given is 0 comma 2 means 0 comma 2l. You compare 2l is equal to 2, l is equal to 1. We want l is there in formula. So f of 2l is 1, 2 minus x. You replace x by 2 minus x, that is 2 minus x whole square. See, here minus is there, actually this is phi of x, this is xi of x. The condition for odd is phi of minus x is equal to minus xi of x. This thing is xi of x. Here minus is there, we write, or shall I write minus 2 minus x square. Shall I write like this? 2 minus x whole square is nothing but minus of minus 2 minus x whole square. Why I am writing like this? Because see, inside the bracket this thing is xi of x. Here xi of x. That is why it satisfies condition minus xi of x. Phi of minus x is equal to minus xi of x. We conclude what? F of x is odd. Obviously a naught is 0, an is 0. We just find bn. Bn formula 2 by L is 1, 0 to 1, f of x is, we select only for 0 to 1, for 0 to 1 x square into sin n pi x by L is 1 into dx. Got it? So here two functions. Apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. You write first function. Integration of second function is by n pi. Derivative of x square is 2x minus integral of cos is sin n pi x by n square pi square plus derivative of 2x is 2. Integration of sin is minus cos, minus into minus plus cos n pi x by n square pi square. Next term will be 0. Derivative of 2 is 0. 0 to 1. Here also sin term 0. When we are applying 1 or 0 for sin, bn is inside minus 1 by n pi common, x square cos n pi x, here plus n square pi square cos n pi x, 0 to 1. Bn is 2 common 1 by n pi cos n pi, apply 1 for x, 0 n square pi square cos n pi, cos 0 is 1, minus 2 by n pi minus 1 power n, 4 2 into 2 pi square minus 1. You can write one more step, n pi n square pi square minus 1. So this is the required Bn. You construct f of x 1 to infinity. Bn is n plus 1, 4 by n square pi square into sin n pi x by 1 is the required. Next problem. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x equal to e power minus x in 0 less than x less than 2. Solution. Check f of x is even or odd. That is, f of 2l minus x e power minus of 2l minus x, here 2l is equal to 2, l is equal to 1, f of 2 minus x so Therefore f of x is neither odd nor even. So we find all a naught, a n, b n by using the formula a naught 1 by L minus L to L f of x dx. L is 1 by 1 is 1, minus 1 to 1 e power minus x into dx. A naught is integration of e power minus x is e power minus x minus, apply the limit minus 1 to plus 1. A naught is e power minus 1 here we don't want L is equal to 1. The formula is the given function f of x is neither odd nor even. You write this is in the form of 0, 2L, so you don't write this, you write the formula for 0, 2L. The given function is neither odd nor even, so this point is very, very important. A naught formula 1 by L 0 to 2L, naught minus L to plus L, f of x into dx. 0 to 2L f of x is e power minus x into dx. E power minus x into L is 1, 0 to 2 e power minus x dx. A naught is equal to integral of e power minus x is minus e power minus x 0 to 2. So here minus common, e power minus 2, e power 0 is 1. That is 1 minus e power minus 2, 1 minus e power 2, e square minus 1 by e square is the required A naught. Next, an. Formula for an, that is 1 by L, L is 1, 0 to 2, f of x is e power minus x into cos n pi x by L is 1 into dx. How do we evaluate the integral function like this? Here, when we are applying Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts, derivative differentiate the first function, integrating the second function, minus plus etc. Because of e power minus x, when we are differentiating e power minus x, will not end, so you will get the values. So actually this process will be end, that means derivative of this thing will be 1, but here we can't do like that. That is why we use the trigonometric identities. You know, the formula for using this is in the form e power ax cos bx dx is there in first semester. E power ax a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. You recall this formula. We apply this formula when we are evaluating this, you will get the answer. So applying that, here a is minus 1, b is n pi, therefore an e power minus x by 1 plus n square pi square minus cos n pi x n pi sin n pi x 0 to 2. Sine term 0 because sin n pi 0 0. Minus, convenient to write, take inside 1 plus n square pi square e power minus 2 cos 2n pi minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n square pi square e power minus 2 cos 2n pi is 1, that is equal to an is 1 by 1 plus n square pi square 1 by e square minus 1. Next, bn formula 1 by L is 1 by 1 0 to 2 e power minus x into sin n pi x into dx. Comparing e power ax sin bx, that is e power ax a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Bn is e power minus x divided by 1 plus n square pi square minus sin n pi x minus n pi cos n pi x. So that is equal to sin term 0 minus n pi common 1 plus n square pi square common cos 2n pi cos 0 1 minus n pi n square pi square. Here e power x, here sorry, e power minus x 0 to 2 e power minus 2 cos 2n pi cos 2n pi minus 1 e power 0 1 cos, that is equal to bn minus n pi 1 plus n square pi square e square minus 1, thus n pi e square minus 1 into e square. You can write like this, otherwise you can stop up to this. So this is the required bn. The Fourier series you construct. A0 by 2 is summation 1 to infinity. An is e square minus 1 e square into 1 plus n square pi square into cos n pi x plus summation n from 1 to infinity n pi e square minus 1 e square 1 plus n square pi square into sin n pi x. So this is the required Fourier series. Next problem. Next problem. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to 2 minus x in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, x minus 6 in 4 less than or equal to x less than 8. Solution. Here this given is 0 to 8. You compare 0 to 8 to 0 comma 2l. 2l is equal to 8, l is equal to 4. Check f of x is even or odd. Because of 0 comma 2l, here phi is 2 minus x, xi is x minus 6. The condition phi of 2l minus x, 2l is 8, is equal to 2 minus, you replace x by 8 minus x, condition for even, that is 2 minus of 8 minus x, that is minus 6 plus x is x minus 6 is xi of x. Therefore phi of 8 minus x is equal to xi of x. We conclude f of x is even. Obviously Bn is 0. A0 formula, 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. After checking the given function is even. Here 2 by L is 4, 0 to 4. For 0 to 4 we select only 2 minus x. 2 minus x is f of x into dx. That is A0 is 1 by 2, 2x minus x square, integral of 2 minus x, 0 to 4. A0 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 common, 4 minus 0, 16 minus, you apply 4 for x square, 16 minus 0 is equal to 8 minus 8. So you will get A0 is 0. Next An, 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L. Actual formula after checking the given function is even, where L is 4, f of x is 2 minus x, cos n pi x by L is 4 dx. So here we have two functions. Apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. First function 2 minus x sin n pi x by 4 n pi by 4. Derivative of 2 minus x is minus 1. Integral of sin is minus cos n pi x by 4 by n square pi square by 16. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 1 is 0. 0 to 4. Apply 4 for x. 4 cancel sin n pi. Sin 0 0. First term 0. Sin term 0. an 1 by 2 common. Inside minus common. Minus 16 by n square pi square common. N square pi square common. Cos n pi x by 4, 0 to 4. Eight by n square pi square cos n pi. 4 cancel, cos 0 is 1. 8 by n square pi square minus 1 power n minus 1. Minus 8 by n square pi square. Here you apply minus pi square 1 minus 1 power n is required an. So f of x is a0 is 0, 1 to infinity n square pi square minus 1 power n into cos n pi x by 4 is the required Fourier series. Just try this problem. Homework: obtain the Fourier series of f of x is pi x in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, pi of 2 minus x in 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So this is for homework problem. So I will continue in next class.